Hello my beauties, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making this remedy for you to get rid of belly fat, to remove general bloating. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Yeah, so this remedy will help you so much. The ingredients are very safe. It contains powerful antioxidants that will help so much to fight free radicals in the body. It's going to debloat you, get rid of those bad fats, and make it to stay in shape and look very attractive. So you want to know how to use this remedy, know when to take it, you want to know other ingredients, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and make this remedy for you that will make sure you return back in shape and stay very attractive. So we are going to be making use of apple. Just as you see it from the image in the thumbnail, apples are very low in calories. That is why I'm going to be making use of it. And they are very high in fiber. Fibers help you to lose weight. They help you to stay fuller, okay, and eat less food. So this helps to support weight loss by ensuring a healthy gut. It fights cancerous cells as well, reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes, and prevents gallstone. So using it is just to make it to stay fuller, okay, grant you a healthy health, and with this you will hardly fall sick. Yeah, so you just have to wash it before you make use of it. Use clean water, make sure you wash it properly. You can use more than one apple if you want to make more of the remedy. So after doing so, you just have to, cut it into smaller size. Of course, I'm going to be removing the seed. Next, I'm going to make use of ginger, and ginger is very healthy for you. In this remedy, it's going to provide an extra boost, body very healthy. It helps to boost metabolism and so promotes weight loss. So this will help also to boost immune system, get rid of infection from the inside out, and make you hardly to fall sick. So you just have to remove the bark of the ginger. Next you are going to use is lemon or lime. Just get a fresh one because we're going to be squeezing out the juice from them. So lemon or lime helps one to burn more calories and helps to boost metabolism. The citric acid in it helps to boost the effects, making sure you lose weight and stay very healthy. Size like this, and squeezing the juice into the blender. So next thing I'm going to do is to add a warm water, about 1 glass cup. Then I'm going to go blend it. I'll come back before adding the next ingredient. Yes, so after blending it, look at it. It's always best to add just little amount of water. Okay, so right now I'm going to transfer it into my glass cup. Oh my goodness, this is very nourishing. This, you will love it. It's time to add our next ingredient. Remember to use a warm water when blending this, because hot water will kill the bacteria in this apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's just a warm water, not hot. So apple cider vinegar is a very good one. It's a great boost as well. Addition of it will make a proper weight loss drink. It suppresses appetite and helps to burn fat easily. Like this is with no stress, like you will lose weight for sure. So I will be adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for 1 glass cup. Okay. To mix it up, make sure everything is properly mixed. You don't need to strain out this remedy, okay? Drink it like this, everything. As I said earlier, the fiber content of this remedy will help so much to boost the effects. That is what is going to keep you fuller and make you to eat less food. But in case you don't like the fiber, like you want to strain it out, fine. You can go ahead and use your strainer, or you use your food processor to strain it out. But if you want to, stay full and less hungry all throughout the day, this will help you so much. So you have to take 1 glass cup in the morning and 1 glass cup at night for best results. Repeat it every day. See yourself moving those fats, unnecessary fats from your body every day with no side effects. Okay? Be consistent to get the best results. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. I will see you in my next video.